Mega Money Mondays. I think that's what we call it. Mega Money Mondays. So today, DCIX went up huge, just like I talked about on Sunday. Had a pretty good feeling that this continuation of the move on Friday would happen again this morning. So stay tuned. You're going to want to watch this entire video. It was pretty amazing watching DCIX go up huge and also making some money. So DCIX up big this morning, up to that $17 area. Sitting here looking at this thing. See if we get a nice pullback here to open. Look for an entry. Getting real volatile here. Trying to get filled there, 16. See if we get filled here. There it is, up there to 17. There it goes, 17. Taking profit right there. Getting in there at $16. Getting a full dollar move there. Up there to 17.15. Beautiful. So you can see DCIX, the reason that I bought when I did, it was pulling back, and then it came up. It found that support there. It wanted to go higher. Up there to 17.80 now. So you can see this morning, pre-market, this thing made a crazy move. It's up there to $18 now. Wow. Wow, DCIX going higher, 18.40 now. Could have gave this one a little bit longer probably, but I wanted to take profit. Wasn't going to be greedy. There it is, up to $19. It's just going higher and higher. So you can see I ended up making $249 on that trade there on DCIX. It's up there to $19 right now. I took profit there at the 17.15 area. It's up there to $19.72 right now. That was the high of day there on Friday. We'll see this once it get up there to $20. Beautiful move here. Up there to $20 now. There it is, 2024. DCIX not slowing down here. I'm gonna probably be done for this thing. I do not want to be greedy here. I don't want to risk it. I'll let maybe if there's some crazy pullback, but not sure I want to jump in right here, right now, and chase this thing after that easy money that I just made there on DCIX this morning. There it is, up there to 20.70 now. Up there to $21 now. DCIX, this thing is going higher. Wow. Here it goes. This is literally in the first 3 minutes, guys. This is literally in 3 minutes, guys. This is happening. Look at this move from the $16 area up there to $21.75 now. $21.74. It's not stopping. $22 right there. $22.23. I'm definitely not going to chase this thing. It's up over 100% on the day already. The NASDAQ wants to step in there and halt DCIX there at the $24 area, up there to $24.24. Wow. Wow. So DCIX halted here from that $16 area up there to $23.26. Guys, it's up over 100% on the day. DCIX, I talked about this one on Sunday. I made a video talking about how DCIX had a very, very good chance for a big spike there at open to get crazy for opportunity. I woke up this morning with the idea that I was going to buy some DCIX. I was going to hold it and let it go crazy. I got into this trade there at the $16 area. I only had 200 shares. I was up $200. I made a full dollar move. I'm thinking to myself, hey, I'm going to take profit. This thing might pull back here. But hey, so I was thinking, I'm going to take profit. This thing could easily pull back here. But instead, it went higher and higher. But that's really what it's all about for me, is just taking profit and being careful. I mean, obviously, I would have loved to had an insane move up there to the 23-26 area. That would have been beautiful. I would have loved that move. That would have been a $1,400, $1,500 move there, playing DCIX out of the open there. But instead, I ended up making $200. You can see my P&L here on DCIX, making $249. I traded this morning as well. Had two kind of just not really worked out trades there. I got in there at the $15 area. It didn't really work out for me. But you can see DCIX, what I was doing this morning. I ended up had this resistance there at the 15.40 area. I was looking for that break over 15.40 for that move up there to $16. I got in there at 15.50. I took profit early, like normal. You can see it kind of went sideways, and there, look at that drop. This is what I was talking about earlier. Definitely don't want to get stuck into that drop there. So DCIX just opened up from the halt there. It's going crazy. Pulling down there to the 19.80 area, down there to 17.25. Look at this, from $23 down there to $17. So literally, right after that halt, it gave up pretty much all these gains here. And it's looking really scary right now. All these people who bought there at the $23 area, just no time to get out. And that's what I was talking about. You got to be careful. You got to take profit fast. This thing could easily crash, and that's what it's doing right now. I know it's easy to sit here and be like, well, look at it. It's going higher. You can see now it is up there to 22.25. I was thinking, oh, I might get filled in this dip here. It's not working out. DCIX moving up there to $22 right now. 222.20. Trying to get filled there again at 22. See if we can just move back up above that $23 area. It's going to take profit right there. 22.50. Looking a little bit top heavy. Not exploding like I want it to over that $23 area right away. You can see it hit that $23 area. So you can see him up $327 right now on DCIX, playing with small size, taking profit when I got it. And there's that move up to the $23 area that I wanted. Oh, there it is, $23.50. That would have been beautiful. You can see it got stuck there at $23. I got in there at the $22 area. It pulled back. It got stuck there at $22.50. So I'm going to be happy with that and take profit. There it is, up to $24.50 again. This thing could go all the way, guys, all the way to the top and then right back down. So you got to be careful. I keep stressing the point of how volatile and how insane this stock is right now, but it's all about just emotions right now. There's nothing more than emotions. You can see literally there's not even really any trend here. It's just going up, going down, people jumping in, people taking profit. You got to be smart here. You don't want to be stuck here holding the bag at $20 when this thing's down to $3, $5 in the future. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that jump. Dipped down there to $22.50. It pulled right back up there to $25. This spread is sometimes more than $1 of a spread here. Watching level 2, you guys can see how insane. Look at the volume. Just not a lot of volume actually as well. The volume kind of trickling down here. This morning we had some insane volume, 200,000 shares traded, 200,000 shares traded. They got halted. And then volume now slowing down. So be careful. Obviously, this isn't live. So if you're in this trade right now, take profit if you got it. So I was trying to get in here at the $18.50 area on DCIX. Did not get filled. I got in there at the $22. I got in there at the $22 area. It jumped up there. I was looking for that move right away up there to $23. Just not having the power to go. And you can see now up there to $25, but pulling back. So this thing is very volatile. I don't want to blow up my account. I don't want to lose a bunch of money. I've made money on this stock. I don't want to lose it. That's not the goal here. The goal is not to give back any of my profits. So I'm going to be happy with that. It's almost 10 o'clock. I've got a million things to do. It's Monday. I know you guys want to see me make thousands and thousands of dollars. Trust me, I want to make thousands and thousands of dollars as well. But I also want to do it in a smart, safe way. And I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to force these trades. So hopefully you guys can see that, you don't need to be overly aggressive all the time. You don't need to be crazy. And I take a lot of risks to make a little bit of profit. So I ended up making $300 there this morning on DCIX, just trading with 200 shares per trade, taking profit when I got it. Obviously, jumping in there with 1,000 shares there at the $16 area, getting that move to $23 would have been an insane morning for me. But at the same time, this thing could have easily crashed on me. I could have lost my entire account. And that's not what we're trying to do. We're not trying to blow up my account in one trade. So I'm going to play it smart here. I'm going to take profit. I'm going to walk away. Like I said, DCIX could easily go to $30, $40. You never know what the emotion, what the madness could bring. But right now, DCIX is having trouble making a new high here. So I'm going to stay away. I'm going to take profit. I'm going to walk away there, $300 richer today, and go do some more things. I got things I got to do. It's Monday at the beginning of the week. I'm actually heading to Brazil. I'm heading to Brazil on the 15th of November. So I've got to make some videos. I've got to get some stuff stockpiled up because I won't be doing much work when I'm in Brazil. I'll be relaxing, but I'll talk to you guys later on.